What's going on with DJT, everybody? We have a big seller. As we discussed lately, we said there's a huge seller came in from the 5 hold that we had last time. We said there's a huge seller came in here. That's why the seller pressure continue, and we went down for a new bottom that we discussed before over the 39. So we reversed from the 39, and now we reversed almost 10%. So we have another buying pressure for DJT. Guys, this is an urgent update. If you're watching our video, we already discussed DJT before around this selling pressure around the 57. That's why we warned everybody to take their profit for DJT, of course, around the 29th of October, around the 55.90. We closed this position. Of course, not the first time. This is many time we did the chart analysis update for DJT. Update every time, guys, to warn our hunters to take their profit before this massive selling pressure. I'm not saying, guys, DJT will hammer down, will crash. I'm saying DJT is pretty volatile, so we have to take profit, and of course entering around a new price or discount price. Why you actually hold if you know that the price will go down? Of course, you don't know. That's why we always suggest on our Discord and Patreon to exit, because we know there's a hidden seller. So why you hold if you know the price will go down? Of course, you're going to take your profit. If you know that the price will go down here, of course, you're going to take your profit and you don't hold, because if you hold, you're going to lose 30% of your money. I'm not saying sell. I'm not saying buying. I'm not financial advisor, guys. Always do your due diligence. But I'm saying if you know exactly that the price will go down, or you have at least probability of the price going down 90%, would you sell? Let me know in comment section below, guys. This is common sense. If you know that the tomorrow is gonna rain, do you have a coat? Do you gonna buy umbrella? Of course, common sense. If you know it's gonna rain, you're gonna have buy umbrella. Otherwise, you're gonna be wet. Sometimes being wet in the bedroom is good, but in real life, if you want to be wet going to work or the job is not good. You can catch a flu or something. But the main reason here we're talking about DJT, it is dumping down, but now is reversing. So this is the first time we have huge selling pressure. So many of you guys saying we never gonna have 30% or 10% jump down. We already have it right now. This is the first time. Why? Because we getting near the election day, guys, almost a few days from now, around or next Tuesday. That's why we have selling pressure before Friday, because anticipation, guys. Next Friday, we're gonna have a pretty volatile day for DJT, because we're gonna have a long weekend. Everything can goes. That's why the smart money just loading off their shares from DJT before Friday, guys. Tomorrow we might have another selling pressure, if only if we continue going down and not breaking the 44.35, which is the current resistance right now. So at the moment we're doing all right, because we're reversing from this bottom, the 39. However, we're still not clear enough, because here the resistance around the 44, guys. Before it was the main resistance was around the 50, and now the short seller added their position around the 44.35. So if we don't clear this level, we're gonna dip a little bit toward the 36. So the 36 and 39 should be our support at least until Friday to fight, guys. Here, the level that we should hold pre-election. Okay, here we're gonna have a consolidation before the confirmation. If Donald Trump won, yes, we might have a gap up. Otherwise, we're gonna continue to go down. So guys, this bottom should be the bottom before the election over the 36, 38. Yes, I know DJT pretty volatile and go up and down. Is kind of really risky right now, because we might have a gap up or like a huge wick. But the best optimum scenario is holding or holding inside or between the 36 and 39 and consolidate before the election. After that, we're going to decide for a huge jump up if we have a positive election. So now is anticipation mode. Now we know that the market maker offload their shares before the election, and now confirm that we had not we had the squeeze kind of, but we got kind of a pre-flush before the election. As we anticipated, guys, we said we might have a flush rush before the market, before the election day, in order for the market maker buying on the discount price. This is another scenario, as we said, the price going down for a discount price for the market maker to buy cheap before the election day, because we anticipate a huge jump again toward the 50 and the 60, and of course around the 75. And some of you said the 100. Yes, we might go toward the 100, but I anticipate the 98 before the 100. So let me know, guys, are we going to consolidate here? Are we going to have a squeeze again and gaining back the $50 territory before the election, or we're gonna dive before the election? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow. Of course, join us live around 9 a.m. Eastern time or 7 a.m. Eastern time around our Discord and Patreon to this talk about the entry and exit for DJT if we have a breakout for this resistance or support. Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow.